Yo, yo, yo. Thanks for tuning in to the 85th episode of J Talks Crypto. And in this episode, I should talk about BIP85 Offensive Entropy Part 2. The Bacon Blue Wallet multi-signature security setup. Anyway, I was actually going to record another episode, but since this is the 85th episode, I feel like I just have to do this one for 85. So earlier, in an earlier episode, I talked about BIP85 as a tool for offensive entropy. There were a couple of things that I didn't go over in that video, so I would like to go over them here. And also use that as an opportunity to show you some examples on how to actually use BIP85. So one of the things that I didn't mention in the other video was the fact that any of the child seeds cannot be derived to guess the main seed. And that's one of the most important features of BIP85. You can't just look at a seed and it doesn't matter how it was derived from the master seed and figure out the master seed based off of a child seed. That's the entire point of the Bitcoin improvement proposal. So with that said, wanted to prove a point. People think that I'm pretty sure you can do this. So I decided to use this video to show a little guide on kind of like articulating or proving a point, like showing in action what I did with my last video. And for this video, put a little bounty out. I'll throw 100,000 sats on it. If anyone wants to try to brute force it for 100,000 sats, but I'll call it my bacon blue wallet, my bacon brain blue wallet. There it is. And try to crack it. I'll post the little guide of something similar to what I did, and I'll come up with 3 other signatures, create a new wallet, send some funds to that, and post a transaction after everything is said and done. So you guys can see, like, hey, we know that this guy used bacon and some index number and some passphrase to essentially make this multi-sig. If we can get 2 of the 3 keys, we can figure out how to get 100,000 sats. Anyway, so I guess over here I will link to the tutorial. So for this portion, I'm just going to be articulating what I'm doing over the tutorial portion, and it's pretty basic. I'm just taking the my 24-word seed, which is bacon. I'm applying the passphrase to it, which I also used bacon, and then the the index number I'm going to use is 1337 for one of the seeds, and that's going to be the seed that I use for the first key. For the second key, I'm going to change how many words I need. I believe this one's going to be a 24-word seed. And we'll use the same passphrase, and I will make the index number 1234 this time. But just keep in mind that if I were to change the passphrase here, that it would also change the seed that I get. but I'm going to keep the passphrase the same for simplicity so you guys can just understand. Now, I'm going to go ahead and go back and get my last seed, which is, I'm going to keep everything the same, more or less the same, and then just do 4, 5, 6, 7. So I get this seed and pop it into make the third key for the vault. And then pretty much good to go. And that's it. It's done. So try to figure out, if you really, really want to, whatever passphrase I used. For, if you can guess two of the key, you got to guess the passphrase and which index number I tied it to. And yeah, so good luck. That's the bounty. And this video is probably getting kind of long and kind of dumb. So this is J Talks Crypto. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. You guys know I hate asking, pero this is J Talks Crypto, and I am signing off.